also government officials.
On behalf of the Fiji government, Honorable Prime Minister, Minister for Rural and Maritime Development and National Disaster Management, and also on behalf of the whole of government, we would like to acknowledge and thank the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints for your contribution today in your handing over of water tanks to be transferred to Koro Island to assist our people in Koro Island that are now rehabilitating themselves from the devastation of Cyclone Winston. We have identified Koro because Koro Island is one of the most devastated areas in Fiji that was devastated by Cyclone Winston. And for Koro, this contribution by the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints will enormously assist in the rehabilitation. Government is trying its best to build houses and also giving out portable sawmills and chainsaws for people to use the timber, the logs and the timber from the fallen trees. And also in every way, whatever assistance is being given to Koro to assist them in rehabilitating and bringing back to normalcy the communities and the villages of Koro. And your contribution today will assist in providing that needed water to every families and every communities, the villages of Nadamaki, Kande, Sinuvada, Songoloa settlement and Noso settlement, and also the other communities that will be assisted in terms of the provision of the water tanks to the island of Koro. So on behalf of government, I stand in acknowledging the church for this contribution and also thank the church very much sincerely for this contribution, which will assist the effort of government in trying to bring about normalcy in rehabilitating the communities in Koro Island. So on that note, we wish the church the very best in the future, and also we wish the church in cooperating and partnership, continuing our partnership with the Fiji government in terms of natural disaster and other programs that you have in terms of building the resilience of our communities.